This is my old cement that I've kept in an airtight container, and it's formed a skin. So I'm going to take that skin off, and I'm going to just see if I can revive it, because it's still got some movement in it. It's stiff, but see it moving? So that's what I'm going to experiment with now. So, as you know, if you've watched my video about making cement, the liquid is, oh God, boiled linseed oil and white spirit. These are so bad, these lids, they get really stuck up. Sometimes I have to cut them off. Anyway, a bit of this and a bit of that, and we'll give it a stir and see if it comes back to life, and if it doesn't, we'll make a fresh batch. What I need is a knife. I don't have a knife. Very sad. I'll try the other end of this spoon. Right. Just trying to cut it through to incorporate the new liquid. And actually, I think once I get this on the window and start scrubbing, that will help incorporate it as well. Whew, you need muscles. Now, some people like their cement this consistency. I probably like it a little bit runnier, just a tiny bit. So I just put a bit of white spirit in there. Now I'll put a bit more linseed oil in. So you can see, I hope, that is coming back to life. Okay, here goes.